To set default app to mp4v files in Windows 11 Home, right click on empty area on the desktop and then select personalize. Next, click or tap apps, select default apps, scroll down the screen, find films and TV. Next, start films and TV, and then scroll down the screen, find .mp4v. Next, tap .mp4v default app, and then select app you want to set as default to open .mp4v files, for example, Windows Media Player, and then tap OK. Now Windows Media Player set as default app to open .mp4v files. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice